Yes, guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes, guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Actually, this is a new link, so that's why I'm waiting. Yes, good evening, Yashwant. From today onwards, new link, so that's why I'm waiting. So because few people, they need to log in, okay? So almost 20 minutes over, right? We'll start, okay? So let's get started. So we are going to continue basic commands, right? Means filter commands. So yesterday we completed which command, guys? Less, right? More, head, tail, grep, WC, those kind of commands we completed. I think we need to discuss today about set command and sort command and find command. So first of all, we are going to discuss about sort. What is the use of sort command, guys? So what is the use of sort command? Yes, in the name itself only, it's a sort, right? Sort mean to sort the content of the file in output, not into the original file content. So how to print the file content? Cat is a command to print the file content, right? So cat is a command to print the file content, right? So with the help of cat command, if you print the file content, you are going to get the content of the file, but we are not going to get into the assigning order. The file content, we are not going to get into the assigning order, guys. So if you need to get the output in assigning order, you are going to use sort command. You are going to use sort command. Let's see, guys, here. I'm going to create one file. So in that file, I'm going to write ABCDs into different order, right? Not into assigning order. So I forgot the chocolate today also because of this accident. Okay, so little bit small. I met with small accident, so that's why. So अभी तक वही बोला था. So let's see, guys, here. Log in as a root user, right? And then we need to create one file with the help of cat command. If you want, you can use vim editor also. It's not a problem, right? So for example, file one. So inside the file one, we are trying to writing ABCDs. Right? Control D to save the file. I'll do one thing. I'm going to open this file with vim editor. So we have few gaps here, right? I'm going to remove those empty lines. Okay. Right, guys, save and quit. So we have file one. How to print the file one's content? So cat space file one, right? So now we got an output of file one, right? But not into assigning order. I hope you got it, guys. So if you need to print the file output into the assigning order, better to use sort. Sort file one. Now you are going to get the file output in assigning order, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that. Got it, guys? But it's not going to reflect into the original file content. The original file content is a original file content only. So we are going to get this output with sort command. That's it. So on top of the terminal itself only, we are going to get the assigning order. So if you need to print reverse, sort -r is an option. So file one. R means reverse, means descending order, right? So reverse. So I hope you're clear, guys. Sort space file name. Sort. Otherwise, if you want to, can use sort command like this also. ls-l pipe symbol sort. So ls-l command output, it is going to sort. I hope you got it, guys, right? So sort file one. So it will print the file one's output in assigning order, right? So now what we are doing in the sense, we are going to edit few content duplicates in this file. We are trying to adding few duplicates. For example, 2Bs, 2As, then 2Ds. So like this, we are going to, got it, guys? So I hope you're clear. So we have few duplicates, right? Save and quit. Then sort is a command. File one is a file name. So it will print the output along with the duplicates, but we need to avoid duplicates. So for example, we'll have one file, it having huge content. In that file, we'll have repeated lines. So we need to avoid those lines, right? Sort is a command, -u is an option, then file name. So now it is going to avoid the duplicate lines. I hope you got it, guys. So with the help of sort command, right? So clear. So how to avoid the duplicates? I hope you're clear. -u is an option. -u option, it is going to avoid the duplicate lines. So clear, guys? Got it? So usually we are going to use one or two options only with sort command. That is enough. So it's not like this. You need to use sort command for file. You can use sort command with any output. Maybe if you're getting huge output, you need to sort the output. So you can add pipe symbol, add sort command with that particular command. Example, ls-l. So pipe symbol and then sort. So clear, guys? Next, sed command, SED. Sed, Steam Editor. Sed stands for Steam Editor. Got it, guys? So Steam Editor, what is the use of Steam Editor? For filtering and transferring the text. Simple, man. In our layman language, you can say find and replace the words in output, not into the original file content. Got it, guys? So we are going to find few words and we are going to replace with another word, right? So got it, guys? So let's see here. I'm going to create one file with the help of cat command. So cat file one. Don't worry. Don't bother about man command. After filter commands, I will teach you man command. Don't worry. So very in-depthly, we are going to learn about man. So, okay, how to get the proper information related to particular resources from our operating system. We are going to learn. Let it complete those. I have hardly two commands, right? Sed, and we have one more command called find. After completing those both the command, I'll start man command. No need to bother. No need to write no need to write about man command. बाद में बोलूंगा मैं, right? So cat space greater than file one. So now in this file, we are trying to writing some content. Okay. So this is a Linux class. Okay. Linux is a clone of Unix, right? So Linux is a POSIX operating system. So Linux is a POSIX operating system. Linux is a open source operating system. So Control D to save the file, right guys? So how to print the file content? Cat file1. See guys, so we have some content inside the file1, right? So now what we are doing in the sense, we are trying to finding the Linux word. We are trying to replacing with some different word. So find and replace, right? We are going to filter the one word. We are going to transform it another word, right guys? So with the help of sed command, sed is a command, Steam editor. Sed stands for Steam editor, right? And then s / and we are try to searching Linux word and we are replacing with Windows. /1 and close the single quotes and provide the file name called file1. In output, guys, it's not going to reflect into the original file content. Original file will have Linux only. So it is going to reflect only on output. Got it, guys? So now this is a Windows class. Is it in Windows class, guys? No, right? So it's replaced with Windows, right? And Windows is a clone of Unix. And in Rala Miro, chocolate చూసాడు నా chocolate నాకు. So, right? So Windows is a clone of Unix. So Windows is a POSIX operating system. So guys, if you observe here, we'll have one more word called Linux, right? Why it's not replaced with Windows? Because we provided one. One means it is going to replace only first word. If we having multiple Linux word into the same line, it is going to replace only first word, right? So let's see here. 2. It is going to replace second word. It is not going to replace first word. See, this is a Linux class. Linux is a clone of Unix and Linux is a POSIX operating system. But here, this Linux words, it replaced with whom? Windows. So 2 means second. I hope you got it. So you'll have the multiple syntaxes related to sed command because it's a bit important for real time, right? So hardly I'm trying to teaching 2 or 3 syntaxes only because we don't have much time, right? So for complementary purpose, I'm trying to sharing that sed command related document. You'll have the example and you'll have the short description, what kind of option we need to use for what kind of, so for example, so and so purpose, you need to use the sed command. We'll have all the options along with the short description. So easily you are going to perform with the help of the document. I'll share the document into the Google Drive link and go through the document. Got it, guys? Because sed is a very, very important for real time. So clear. Next. So we have one more example. Let's see. Sed is a command. Then I need to replace all the words with Windows. G. G means globally we are going to replace with Windows. I hope you got it, guys. About sed command, how we need to execute the sed command, right? Okay, so clear? Got it, guys? Online, can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes, guys, can you hear me? Am I audible? Online, can you hear me? Am I audible? Right, okay. So let's see, guys. Next, find command. Find. So guys, what is the use of find command? So usually, for example, in Windows, we'll have one option called search, right? So why we are going to use search option? For example, we did one file maybe before 2 months. We don't know where we created, right? In which location. So if we remember the file name, we know file name, right? So with the help of file name, we can find the file with the help of search option. Like the same way, coming to Linux, we have one command called find. So with the help of find command, we can find the files, directories, means resources from our operating system according to our requirement, right? So let's see here. exactly how we need to execute the find command. So many people, they have the confusion in find command. So those people, they have some problem while you are trying to executing the find command, because syntax errors you are going to get. So that's why please focus on it. So find is a command space search location you need to provide, from where we need to search. Forward slash in the sense entire operating system. Forward slash means it's a top level directory. Everything it's available into the forward slash itself only, right? So if it's not like this, you need to provide forward slash. Maybe you have some idea. So you did few files into the dev directory. Instead of forward slash, you can provide slash dev directory. It's not a problem. Your wish. Maybe you need to find few files from etc. So for find is a command space slash etc. But I'm trying to providing forward slash means entire operating system. Got it, guys? Then hyphen hyphen option hyphen hyphen name is not hyphen hyphen, only one hyphen, single hyphen is enough. So hyphen name. So now we are trying to searching the file with name. So option hyphen name. Got it, guys? So which file? For example, file one I need to search. I don't know file one where it got located. So I'm trying to searching file one. How many file ones will have into our operating system? Those all it is going to provide with path. So then hit enter. See, guys? So it will take some time because we are trying to searching into entire operating system, right? So guys, no need to bother about this line, permission denied. This is error, right? How to avoid the errors also I will tell you, don't worry, give me some time. So let's see, guys, file one, it got located inside the root slash ROOT is a home directory for root user. So we did file one into root user's home directory with the help of root user. Got it, guys? Clear? Yes, no? So it's taking some time. So we need to wait few minutes. G means globally each and every Linux word it will replace with Windows. Venkatesh. So got it, guys. Only one file one will have. So it got located into slash ROOT home directory. So clear, right? So now we don't know file name, but we have inode number. Got it, guys? So we have the file inode number. How to know the inode numbers, guys? How to get the inode numbers? ls-i is a command. ls-i is a command. Right, guys? Okay. So we have few inode numbers here. So Anaconda, we have file one will have, right, guys? So clear. And then Anaconda inode number. This one is Anaconda's inode number. What is Anaconda, guys? What is Anaconda? So don't say it's a movie, it's a snake like that, okay? So Anaconda is an installer in Linux. Got it, guys? Anaconda is a installer. It's not a snake. Pankaj. Okay. I understand. It's try to saying snake, okay? So it's a Anaconda is an installer, right? So Anaconda command prompt for package. Okay, Python. I don't know much about Python. Okay, so here for two subjects, if I'm trying to teaching, I'm getting like, so Python, Geethan, I'm unable to teach now. Okay, so let's see here. Anaconda is an installer in Linux. Anaconda-ks.conf. KS means kickstart. Anaconda kickstart configuration file. While you're trying to deploying the kickstart services, what is the use of kickstart service? To install the operating system through network, right? So this anaconda-ks.conf file, it having some configuration. Your system configuration means we have 4 partitions: root, boot, swap, and root user having password. with the help of this file, we are going to install same operating system into another machine through network with the help of anaconda-ks.conf file. So we need to deploy this file into the Kickstart services. Through network, we can install same operating system into another virtual machine. So Anaconda, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is an installer. That's it. In Linux, Anaconda is a installer. Got it, guys? Okay, so let's see here. Find is a command, /-inum is option. Maybe if you are trying to searching the file with the help of inode number, you should provide the option called inum. Got it, guys? So now we are trying to providing this inode number. See, guys, we got anaconda-ks.conf file, CFG file. So if you want to can search the file with name, if you want to can search the file with inode number, right, guys? I need only block files. I need to search block files. Okay. So find is a command, /-type is option. We are trying to searching the file with type. So type is an option. How you are going to find the block files, guys? Usually we should have B right in front of the file name. So that is called block file, right? So just provide B, that's enough. You are going to get the block files. Those all the block files, it's available into dev directory. So got it, guys? Dev DM2, dev DM1, dev DM0, dev SR0. SR0 means DVD, and SDA2, SDA1, SDA, and no need to bother about this one. This is error. No need to bother about this one, right? So I hope you got it. This is output and this is error. Okay. So if you want to can find configuration, if you want to can find character files also, provide C. You are going to get the character files. Got it, guys? So how to get the directory? D. How to get the normal files? Don't give hyphen. You need to provide F. F means file. So here don't give hyphen. So hyphen, usually we are going to find the file type. It's a normal file. But if you need to find the normal files with find command, you need to provide F. Got it? So how many files will have into your operating system? We are going to get those all the list. Clear? Continuously you are going to get. It will take some time because we have the huge files into our operating system. So that's why better to use Control C to kill. Control C to stop that output, right? To stop the process. Not stop, actually, it is going to kill. See, location of the file also it is going to print. Pankaj. Right? Services are different story, man. I'm talking about our resources like files, folders. Got it? Services means if you want to can find the services also, you need to provide the service name there. HTTPD, SSHD. So where it got located, it is going to provide you. Pankaj. Got it? Right. So usually we are trying to providing the option. With the help of that option only, we are trying to providing the argument. Hyphen type means file type we are trying to providing. Hyphen. So usually if you need to find the services instance, that is a different story. I'll teach you later. Systemctl is a command. With the help of systemctl, we are going to get all the services. That is a different story. Services and those all stuff if you need to find. So here we are trying to finding files, folders, configuration files, and what we say, device files and those all stuff. With the help of type, you're going to find, right? So find forward slash hyphen type. I hope you're clear. Hyphen type. I hope you're clear. So with the help of file type, we can find the files, right? Size is option. Got it, guys? So find space forward slash hyphen size. So now we are trying to providing the file size. So for example, I need 10 KB files. How many 10 KB files will have into the operating system? We need to find where it got located. Then hit enter. So we are going to get the all the 10 KB files list. So I hope you got it, guys, right? And then if you need more than 10 KB files, you need to add plus. Simple, same option. So in front of the 10K, you need to add plus. Plus means more than 10 KB. I hope you got it, guys. Find space forward slash space hyphen size space. Then you need to provide the file size according to your requirement. So plus 10 KB means more than 10 KB files we are going to get. Those all the files, it's more than 10 KB. So if you need less than 10 KB, so if you need less than 10 KB, minus, simple, right? So got it, guys. Minus, see. So those all less than 10 KB files. Okay. So I hope you got it, guys, right? Then we have one more option called user. User. For example, student is a username, right, guys? Student, user, accessible files, everything, it is going to print the list. Got it, guys? Student, user, how many files it is going to access from our operating system? Those all the files it is going to print. See, those many files, student, user, it can. So clear, guys? I hope you got it. So like the same way, you can give groups also. So for example, find instead of user, you can give group. Guys, remember, while you are trying to creating the user account, automatically one group also it will create. That is called primary group. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll start user and group management concept. From tomorrow onwards, don't miss. Demos finish. Okay. So who's going to teach 10 days demos, man? Only Imran sir, he's going to teach 10 days demos. So demos completed, basic completed. So from 7th chapter onwards, we are going to perform few administrative tasks. User and group management concept. From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start. Today, we are going to complete all the basics. Maybe if we having 1 or 2 commands, we'll discuss tomorrow. And then we are going to start user and group management. From tomorrow onwards, don't miss. Clear? Right? So, okay, na? Got it, guys? Awesome session, sir. Pankaj, thank you, ma. What is the meaning of that emoji? Huh? Okay, so party करना है, आ जाओ कर लेंगे, right? So no issues, right? So got it, guys. So clear. From tomorrow onwards, even if you having your session or not, definitely you'll have the Linux session. Don't miss. Really, if you need job, इसके बाद में कुछ बोलने वाला तो नहीं हो. Depend on you only, right? So guys, we are not kids, right? We are all professionals, right? We are doing professional courses like AWS, DevOps, huh? Huh? So that's why better to attend the Linux session. Don't miss. Okay. Right. So find at least attend online. If you are unable to come here, so better to attend online. Okay. इसका मतलब सब लोग ऑनलाइन में आओ बोल के नहीं है. Right. So find space forward slash hyphen group. Right. Group is option. So if you are trying to creating the user account, automatically one group also it will create. We have student user, right? Student group also will have. That is primary group. Clear, guys? We don't have any additional personal group. So we are going to discuss from tomorrow onwards. So at present, I'm considering student group only. Student group accessible files, everything we are going to get the list. I hope you got it. So those options we are going to use frequently with find command to find the files and directories from our operating system. Clear? So basics, basic command, filter commands, everything it got completed. So now we are going to discuss about man, not to man, okay? Man command, right? So man, man. So man stands for manual pager. Manual page, manual, man stands for manual page. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. So man is a very useful command. So if you are starting the career as an administrator, especially Linux admin, this is a very useful for you. So no need to, maybe you are into very initial stage now. Let it complete this course, right? So maybe if you need to execute few commands, you don't know much about this command. With the help of man command, easily we are going to get the information about that particular command without internet. Got it, guys? No need to bother about Google. Each and everything we are going to get from our operating system itself only. So if we having one operating system, Linux operating system, that's enough. So no need to search in Google, no need to search in Chat GPT. Clear? In Chat GPT and Google also, you are going to get few wrong information sometimes, right? Because humans only they are going to upload, right? But coming to here, you're not going to get any wrong information because it's related to operating system. It having their own manual page. Got it, guys, right? So exactly how to man command, right? So let's see, guys, here. Simple. In our home, we are trying to purchasing few home appliances, guys, right? Okay. TV, washing machine, refrigerator, right? And we'll have our guy here, AC, washing machine, dishwasher, microwave, like this products we are going to purchase, right? You purchase one smart television, TV, right? So you'll have few new features into that particular television, right, guys? Then how you are going to know? Don't say that guy, he will come and then he is going to guide. Okay. So usually along with the television, you are going to get one manual book. Inside that manual book, you'll have each and every instruction, each and every feature related information, how to utilize the features full-fledgedly. With the help of manual book only, we are going to know, and then we are going to utilize, we are going to enjoy the product. Like the same way, coming to in our operating system, we'll have many commands. Yes, no, we'll have many resources. Each and every command, it having one manual page. How exactly we are going to get that particular command manual page, in the sense with the help of man command. Guys, coming to our operating system, how many resources will have? Thousands of the resources will have. What is operating system resources? Tell me. What is human resource? Tell me. Yes, guys, human resources. Phone, right? I know you're going to say phone, mobile, laptop, like that. Human resources means water, food, oxygen. Air ante ye air padta air kaadu. जो एयर बोले तो वो एयर नहीं बोला, ऑक्सीजन चाहिए हम लोगों को, राइट? So carbon dioxide also will have, right? We are not going to get the carbon dioxide, right? So oxygen, food, yes, no, we need shelter, So those all requirements for human. Like the same way, requirement and resources. Without water, without food, without oxygen, can we survive? This is a human resources, right? Like the same way, coming to operating system, so we'll have few resources. Example, files, folders, printers, device files, configuration files, etc., etc. Those all it's coming under resources. How many resources will have into our operating system? Thousands of the resources will have into our operating system, right? So, for example, assume this, we have 2000 commands, guys. As a human, can you remember all those 2000 commands? It's possible? It's not possible. So how we are going to get the information related to particular resource? With the help of man command. I hope you got it, right? So for example, your purchase washing machine, television, refrigerator, right? And dishwasher, etc., etc. Okay. So related to those, all the products manual book, if you try to keeping into the one book, what will happen? Instead of providing the individual books, manual books, if they're providing only one book, in that book itself only we'll have all the products information. It's bit difficult to us to search, right, from that book. So that's why what they are doing, for television, one manual book, for AC, one manual book, right? So for refrigerator, one manual book. So for washing machine, one manual book. Like this, individually, they are trying to providing. Like the same way, coming to Linux, we have thousands of the resources. Those all the resources, manual pages, it got divided into 9 sessions. I hope you got it, guys. We have thousands of the resources into our operating system. Those all the resources, manual pages, if they try to keeping into the one page, what will happen? It's a bit difficult to us to search. So that's why they got divided into 9 sessions. Manual command also having manual page. I hope you got it, guys. Man command also having manual page. Man space man. That's it, guys. Don't give man space woman, okay? So man space man. So man is a command, and we are going to get the manual command details. Got it, guys? With the help of man command, we are going to get this man command details, right? So open this one. See, what is the use of man command, guys? An interface to online reference manual. And we'll have few options here. So we have some description. So what we discuss now, each and everything you can get from the description. And how many sessions we'll have? 9 sessions. See, total 9 sessions we'll have. So guys, no need to buy those all the session IDs. So I'll teach you, don't worry, how to get the session IDs also, but you need to remember few options. That's enough. Got it, guys? So session number 1. Session number 1. Executable programs are shell commands. Simply you can say normal user executable command. It's coming under session number 1. I hope you got it, guys. Normal user means student, Chunno, Munno, Raju, Rani, those peoples are normal users. So those peoples doesn't have the full access, they have the limited access. So limited commands will have, right? So normal user executable command in bin. Inside the bin will have few commands, right? Those command related information we are going to get from session ID 1. Session number 1. So second, session number 2, system calls, functions provided by the kernel. Actually, functions who's providing by kernel. System call, one small example I'll tell you. For example, I'm a kernel, right? So my name is Imran. What I'm doing, I'm trying to teaching Linux session for you, right? So one guy, he came to me, right? One student, he came to me after completing the session. He's asking one doubt, right? So I'm trying to explaining the doubt to that particular guy. Okay. While I'm trying to explaining the doubt, at the time in between, one more girl, she came to me and she's asking some different doubt. Guys, as a human, can I provide the answer for both the people at a time? It's possible. What I need to do, I need to inform to that girl, please go and sit. That guy, he came to me first. Then I'm trying to explaining the doubt. Let it complete this one. Then I will call you. So I'm going to return the process to that particular user, second user, that girl, right? After completing my current process, automatically I'm going to call. So I will explain you like that. That is called system call. Automatically it will happen. So those all related information from where we are going to get session number 2, system calls. 3, library calls, functions within a program, libraries, library calls. 4, special files. For example, if you need to know the TV SDA 1 or 2 information, so we are going to use session number 4. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Session number 5. Session number 5, file formats and conversion. Example, configuration file details. So what is the use of etc password? What is the use of etc shadow? I hope you got it, guys. So configuration files details, if you need to know, in the sense we need to use session number 5. Where we need to use, how we need to use, I will tell you. Let it focus on it. Remember, try to remember this one. Okay. So actually no need to remember. I'll give you one small option. With the help of that option, you're going to get the session numbers also. So 6 games, no need to bother. 7 miscellaneous. 7 miscellaneous means protocols, packages. Got it, guys? SDA means that is a hard disk, Pankaj. Right? So clear. So now sysadmin, 7 miscellaneous. 7 miscellaneous means HTTPD, PSFTPD packages will have. So what is the use of HTTPD? What is the use of VSFTPD? So those are all the information we are going to get from session number 7, miscellaneous. 8, system administrator executable commands. Got it, guys? 8, system admin executable command means root user executable commands. 1, normal user executable commands. 8, root user executable commands, right? 9, kernel routines non-standard. It's related to kernel. 9 session ID they introduced to us from RHEL 7.0 onwards. In old versions like 6.0, 5.0, 4.0, 3.0, 2.0 version doesn't have 9 session ID. So from 7.0 onwards, we'll have 9 session ID. I hope you got it, guys. Session number, session ID, whatever, if you want to can say. So first of all, how we need to get the proper information related to particular resources. Let's see. Practically will do. So let's try to open one more terminal, right? So log in as a root user, that's best. Right, guys? Now I need to know the information about ls command, guys. Simple, man actually one ls. If you want, you can provide one. If you want, you can skip. It's not a problem. If you didn't provide anything, by default, will take 1. So now at present, I'm trying to providing 1. 1 means normal user executable commands. Yes, no. So if you want, you can provide 1. Usually we know ls command we can execute with the help of normal user also. So that's why we are trying to providing 1 session ID. If we didn't provide the 1 also, it will take by default 1. Got it, guys? See here. ls. What is the use of ls? List directory content. Already we discussed, right? So we'll have few options here. So we'll have the huge content into this file, means into this output. You can navigate the output according to your requirement using navigation keys, up arrow, down arrow. Otherwise, DB also you can use, small gg you can use, capital G you can use, / you can use to search. Because if you're having huge content, always we need to navigate the content of this output, right? So you can use. So how we are going to quit? Q is option. We are back to terminal. We are going to quit from the manual page and we are back to terminal. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Yes, no? So now I'm not providing one. Even if you're not providing one also, it is going to consider one. So then hit enter. So same output only we are going to get. Okay. So if you didn't provide any option, means any session ID, by default, it will take one. Clear, guys? Yes, no? Right. So now you know ls command, you know cat command, we know mkdir command, those all it executed with the help of normal users also. So that's why we are going to provide one. So we have one resource called xfs underscore growfs. What is this? xfs underscore growfs. What is this, guys? You don't know. That's it now. You're very new to Linux operating system. You don't know whether it is a file, whether it is a normal user executable command, whether it is a root user executable command, or whether it is a configuration file or a device file. We don't know, right? You don't know much about this resource. Then I need a details related to this resource, that to proper information. How? So we don't know the session ID also, right? So first of all, we need to get the session ID. So how we are going to get the session ID? Let's see. Man is a command, -k is an option, xfs underscore growfs also you can give directly, it's not a problem. I'm trying to providing keyword called xfs. Means you are going to get all the resources related to xfs along with the session ID with short description. See? Got it, guys? XFS related all the resources with session ID with short description. So now what kind of resource we need? XFS underscore GoFS. What is the session ID for XFS underscore GoFS? 8. And what is the use of this command? 8 means root user executable command. System administrator executable command, right? Expand an XFS file system. Don't worry about XFS. I will teach you while we are discussing about disk management concepts at the time. So this is related to LVM. Okay. So we'll discuss at the time while we are discussing about LVMs at the time. Okay. So I hope you got it, guys. It's very simple, right? No need to by heart the session IDs. 1, it's related to normal user. 2, system call. 3, library call. 4, special files like the device files, and 5, special files. Yes, no. So it's very easy, right? Okay. So now what I'm doing in the sense, instead of now what we need to do, man 8 xfs underscore growfs, right? This is the right command, right? So if you need to get the proper information about xfs and xfs underscore growfs, we should execute this command, man space 8 session id 8, then xfs underscore growfs. Then you are going to get the proper information related to xfs underscore growfs, right? Yes, no. You can navigate the output according to your requirement using navigation keys, up arrow, down arrow, right? Forward slash, you can search the words with the help of forward slash. Q, we are back to terminal. Guys, I'm not providing any aid. Directly what I'm doing in the sense, I'm trying to executing this command with man command. What will happen? Let's see. Man space xfs underscore growfs, then hit enter. What happened? Same output only we got, right? Why? Even if you're providing session ID, if you're not providing the session ID, you are going to get the same output. Guys, it will happen only for few resources, not for all. Got it? Let's see. I'll prove. Man -k is a option. Password is a keyword I'm trying to providing. Means password related. Right? So password related, do they provide example for command using information in, we'll have examples also, few commands having examples also how to execute. Pankaj, read that manual page. You're going to get the examples also. Few commands having examples also, how we need to execute. Right? So man hyphen K keyword, password is a keyword, right? Then hit enter. You're going to get the password related all the resources and short description with session ID. Guys, if you observe, we'll have password is a keyword. Password 1 will have, and we have one more password. See, password 5 will have. Why, guys? Means few resources having same keyword. I hope you got it. XFS underscore growfs is only one keyword will have, but coming to password 2, password file will have, as well as password command also will have. So usually if you're executing man space password, you are going to get the password command details. You're not going to get the password file details, but I need password file details. That is wrong, right? At the time, what we need to do, we need to provide man5 password. I hope you got it. Why we need to use session ID. It's not like this. All the resources having one keyword means so few resources having same keyword. So few resources having unique keyword. So that's why better to use session ID, session number. Then only you are going to get the proper information related to particular resource. So I hope you got it right. Yes, no. So let's see. Man password. Man password by default will take 1. Means you are going to get the password command details. See, update users authentication token means with the help of this password command, we are going to assign the password for user. Got it, guys? Clear? So Q, we are back to terminal. Man 5 password. So this is a different story. Password 5 file, actually that is password command. This is password file, etc password file. So what is the use of etc password, what it having, what kind of information it holding, everything we are going to get the information about etc password file. So password command is a different, password file is a different. So if you need password file details, always you need to use 5 session ID, then only you are going to get the proper information. Otherwise you are going to get the password command details. Clear, guys? Q, we are back to terminal. I hope you're clear. Yes, no? So about man, how we need to get the proper information related to particular resource with the help of man command. So one small task. We have one resource called tar. Actually, I need tar file details. Tar file details. How you are going to get the session ID? Man hyphen K tar. Super. Right. Then we need tar file, right? Archive file. Which session ID? Man 5 tar. Got it now? So clear? So like this, easily you are going to get the session ID, and then you can get the proper information related to particular resource. Right? So actually, I have site issue, guys. Okay. Yes, session ID in okay, right? So crystal clear. Okay, Pankaj, right? Sorry, Pankaj. Okay, right, guys. Now, for example, I have site. Site means not that site. Eyesight. I'm saying. Okay, I'm talking about eyesight. Okay. So okay, I have eyesight. I'm unable to read the content into laptop long time. Maybe hardly I can read half an hour, 1 hour. That's it. So I need one hard copy to read the information related to particular resource. I require printout. I need printout. Then can we get the printout, guys? Man command printout, man page printout. Can we get? It's possible. Man, for example, password, guys. Okay. So this is password command output we are going to get. Means password command information we are going to get in this output. Guys, in terminal, we doesn't have the option called print. Remember, you can search in file, edit, view, search, wherever if you want, you can search. You doesn't have the print option. We are unable to get the hard copy. Means printout we are unable to get. Then how we need to get the printout? This command output, I need to get the hard copy, right? First of all, we need to convert this output into .ps file in Linux, coming to Windows PDF in Linux .ps. Got it, guys? PDF stands for present working directory. So I understand you are focusing on Linux, okay? But PDF stands for portable document file, PDF. Like the same way, coming to Linux, we'll have .ps file, PostScript document file. PostScript document, DSL level something will have. So PostScript document, you can say, right? So got it, guys. First, we need to convert this output into .ps. How we need to convert? Quit. We are back to terminal. So we are back to terminal, right? And man -t is an option type. Password command manual page greater than. I'll tell you about greater than. I think today we don't have much time. Okay. Tomorrow. So greater than, right? Then any name you wish, guys, but you need to provide the extension called .ps. Clear? Instead of password PSSWD, you can give any name, XYZ, ABCD, your name also you can give, it's not a problem. So now we are trying to providing .ps. .ps means PostScript document, right? Like PDF files in Windows. Okay. How we'll have the PDF files in Windows, like the same way coming to Linux, we'll have .ps file. Then hit enter. Okay. So then hit enter. Now ls-l, you need to execute ls-l. See guys, password.ps file, it got created successfully. Then how we need to open? I know you people, you're going to say cat password.ps. What happened? Can we read the file content? It's possible. VIM. Okay. Next option, VIM, I know. So VIM dot password.ps. Read. Guys, think little bit. Then you are going to get the answer. I said PDF, right? Are you going to open the PDF file with the help of Notepad in Windows? Are you going to open the PDF file with the help of WordPad, Word document? How you are going to open the PDF files? Huh? PDF reader we need, right? Yes, no? Yes, PDF reader we require, right? Like the same way in Linux also, we should have the PDF reader, right? That is called events. Don't use cat VIM to open the .ps file. If you want, you can check the file type. How to know the file type? Guys, if you're giving the answer tomorrow, definitely I'm going to get the 50 rupee chocolate for you people. Not 10 rupees. Ankita ji. Yes. How to know the file type? 50 rupees dairy milk. Silk. 50 rupees వస్తుందా లేదు 70 rupees పెట్టాలనుకుంటా 80 okay, so if you're giving the answer, definitely I'm going to get the silk for you. No, wrong answer. If you're giving wrong answer, negative, you need to get the Red Bull for me. Okay. Yes guys, tomorrow वहां पे है ना नीचे. Yes, check first bit No. Okay, I'll check first bit, no issues. And then how you are going to know what kind of file it is? I need PostScript document like that. Yes, guys. Pankaj, you are near to answer. Online, I'll send you silk image, okay? Huh? Yes, guys. Like this offer, you won't get, you people won't get again. Wrong. ls-l I have executed right now. What is a command to know the file type? ఎవరైనా no. Wrong answer. One Red Bull, two Red Bull. Yes, yes, ma'am. So you know how to identify the file types? Did you attend the session at the time? Ankita ji and Ankita ji's friend. क्या नाम है मैम आपका? Kanti, right? Kantima. Right. Yes. What about you people? మనం ఒక రోజు వస్తే ఇంకో రోజు రాము. నేను అడిగినా కూడా వేస్టే కదా. మిమ్మల్ని ఏదో అండర్స్టిమేట్ చేస్తానని అనుకోకండి. కరెక్ట్గా అటెండ్ అవుతారని చెప్తున్నా అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు. ఎస్ గైస్, సెకండ్ టైం అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారు కొంతమంది. కెనాయ్ అనవసరంగా మిమ్మల్ని అడగడం వేస్ట్, టైం వేస్ట్. నేనే చెప్తున్నా. తిప్పారు ఆయనకే, కానీ నేను ఇవ్వనుగా చాక్లెట్. ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది టైము. ఫైల్ ఈజ్ అ కమాండ్. నేను ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత చెప్పారు మీరు. సరే, మీకు కాబట్టి 10 రూపీస్ చాక్లెట్ అంతే. అది ఫస్టే చెప్పుంటే నిజంగానే సిల్క్ తీసుకొచ్చి ఇచ్చున్నామండి. సి గైస్, పోస్ట్ స్క్రిప్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ టెక్స్ట్ కన్ఫర్మింగ్ DSL level 3.0. See, I said while we are discussing about the file types, how to identify the file types concepts will have, right? Hyphen normal file, D for directory, B for block files, C for character files, L for link files, like that we discussed. Finally, I have given one command to you people to identify the file type. I said, if you're having any confusion with symbol, if you are unable to identify the file type, use file command. Very good. Okay. I'll share you chocolate image after some time. Okay. Don't worry. So who's that guy? Right. So got it, guys. Then how we need to open this file? PostScript document text file. Events is a command. Events is a command. Password.ps is a file name. Then hit enter. Then you are going to get the PDF file. What happened? Got it, guys? And here you'll have the option called print. Go to settings. Then where is print? We'll have the print option here. Then click print, and if you're having the printer, you're going to get the print if you configure the printer properly. So got it, guys? Okay, so this is graphical user interface. That's why we can open the file with the help of events command. If you doesn't have the graphical user interface, if you're having CLI, then how you are going to get the printout? LP is a command. LP, line print. Okay, LP password.ps hyphen capital P means page numbers, right? For example, second page to fourth page, like this you can give. So you wish, according to your requirement, you can provide the page numbers, right? Got it, guys? LP space file name hyphen capital P means page number. You can give according to your requirements. If you need to print second page, you can give two. That's it. Then hit enter. You are going to get the printout, but here we are getting error because there is no printer. So got it, guys? I hope you're clear. So how we need to work with man, how we need to get the printout and those all stuff, right? So if you're having any doubts, any questions as of now, please. About man, Yes, actually we have one more concept called redirectors. So tomorrow I'll teach you. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. Then if you're okay now, then I'll continue. I think you will have some different sessions now, right? So AWS దేవతో నిన్న అబ్బాయి వచ్చినట్లేడు వాళ్ళ. See guys, see simple, we should have some common sense, right? In between, if you're going so without informing to me, then reminding people how they are going to think, tell me. Yes, no. So we are not a kids, right? First of all, I mean kids also, they're asking to their faculty, sir, I have some problem, I need to go. But you people simply you are going like from classroom without informing to me, आपकी मर्जी के हिसाब से, then reminding people how they are going to feel. अरे एक बंदा उड़ के चले जा रहा है, then बाकी के लोग कैसे फील होंगे? Yes, I think it's not a manners, good manners, right? Good manner, right? So you should ask the permission. I know we have the sessions after 7:30. I know, I know when I need to leave to you people and those all stuff, right? How to get daily notes? Prem, Mohan, try to try to ask to Prem. Prem, he is going to provide you, okay? Right? So if you need running notes, you can make your own notes, right? So that's all for today. So see you tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start administrative task. Tomorrow is a very, very important concept we are going to discuss, that is redirector. It's related to real time. సో ఎవరైతే రేపు రాకూడదని చెప్పేసి ఫిక్స్ అయ్యారో అలా చెప్తున్నా క్లియర్గా. ఓకేనా? సో got it guys? Okay, see you guys, see you tomorrow. Bye, take care. Yeah, welcome Upasna.